welcome back to Learn with Art. Today we're going on a magical adventure. Let's learn and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's go!
One little ball rolling on the ground. Two little balls spinning round and round. Three little balls bouncing side to side. Counting makes us happy, come and try. One rolling ball just for fun. Two rolling balls jump and run. Three rolling balls side by side. Four rolling balls take a ride. Count with me, 1 to 10. Rolling balls again and again. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Learning numbers here and there. 5 rolling balls in a line. 6 rolling balls looking fine. 7 rolling balls fast and slow. 8 rolling balls, watch them go. Count with me, 1 to 10. Rolling balls again and again. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Learning numbers here and there. 9 rolling balls side by side. 10 rolling balls far and wide. We counted up from 1 to 10. Great job, friends, let's count again.
Hey friends, let's keep counting. Are you ready? Let me know 11 to 20.
11, 11, bounce up to heaven.
12, 12, jumping on the shelf.
13, 13, shiny and clean.
14, 14, flying on the green.
14, 14, flying on the green.
15, 15, dancing on the scene.
16, 16,
Singing loud and keen.
17, 17,
Sparkling like a queen.
18, 18, rolling like a dream.
19, 19, glowing bright and seen. 20, 20, counting fun and plenty. Fun, great job, friends, we did it. Counting is so much fun.
A bright red balloon floating near. A bright red balloon floating near. 21, 21, what's in view? A shiny red car speeding through. 22, 22, come and see. 2 happy puppies playing with glee. 22, 22, count with me. 2 sweet ice creams, yummy as can be. Twenty-three, 23, shining bright. A rainbow appears, such a lovely sight. 23, 23 was flying high. A butterfly dancing up in the sky. 24, 24, up in the air. A colorful kite soaring everywhere. 24, 24, twinkling so far. A bright yellow light from a glowing star. 25, 25, let's have fun. A big birthday cake for everyone. 25, 25, oh so sweet. A red apple hanging on a tree. 26, 26, hop and play. A green little frog jumps all day. 26, 26, what do we see? A grassy green field so wild and free. Green field so wild and free. A shiny blue truck rolls along. 27, 27, look and see. A pink flower blooming next to me. 28, 28, floating light. A purple balloon takes the flight. 28, 28, drifting slow. A soft purple cloud begins to glow. 39, 29, gliding low. A white swan swims in a gentle flow. 29, 29, hopping near. A fluffy white bunny so full of cheer. 30, 30, wave goodbye. A sunset glows across the sky. strong and serene. Sing along, count with glee, learning is fun from 21 to 30.
Hello, friends. Come close. Come near. A magic world is waiting here. So many boxes, one by one. Let's open them and have some fun.
Hey, what's in this box I see? Let's open it, it's 31! Woo! Now here's another, come don't wait. Open it up, it's 32. Great. Oh my, this one is bouncy and free. Jump in now, it's 33.
What floats gently like a dream. This box has 34 ice cream.
Hold on tight, it's flying alive. Whoosh! Out comes 35. Be quiet, it's dark inside. But wait, it's 36, let's ride. Spin and swirl, let's take a tour. Say hi to 37 for sure. What's galloping in the glowing gate? Oh wow, it's 38. This one giggles, jumps so fine. Dancing now is 39. And now the biggest, open the door. Ta-da, it's number 40 and more.
You did amazing, everyone. From 31 to 40. What fun! See you soon in the next surprise with more magic, joy, and bright blue skies. Hello, friends! Welcome back to Learn with Art. Today, we're going on a magical adventure. Let's learn and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's go!
In the rainbow garden under the sun, I found a flower, it's number 41. Let's count. Bubbles go pop and flow so blue. Look at the sky, here comes 42. Climbing the tree with leaves so free. Guess what I found? It's 43. Climb up, look down. Sliding in snow, wiggles galore. Look who is waving, it's 44. Whee! Snow fun! Walking the desert with sun so high, I saw a number 45 in the sky, so hot. Zoom through the stars, such a cool trick. Up in the rocket, it's number 46. Blast off! Comfy and colors sweet and bright. Number 47 is glowing with light. Yummy! Splash in the sea, swim like a mate. Deep in the ocean, it's 48. Ooh, ooh. Castles on clouds, floating so fine. What a surprise, it's 49. Let's fly! Candles are shining, oh what a sight. Let's all cheer, it's 50 tonight. Happy number. Free cat style. Fording the tree with leaves so free. Guess what I found? It's 43. Climb up, look down. Climb up, look down. Sliding in snow, giggles galore. Look who is waving, it's 44. Look who is waving. Woo, snow fun. Run.
Great job, friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to come back for more fun with Art and his friends. See you soon.